Hello everyone, here's Toby from abletondrummer.com.
And I'm Kaylee from Arcana.
We're just about to set up at NAMM, the MIDI as accessibility table, and we have a few instruments here all running into a Max patch, which is running in Ableton Live. It's really easy to connect all the things, and the setup here is like the Arcana is going to send some chords. And depending on the live chords, we have, for example, the drum beam here, who's gonna play a melody, depending on which chord is currently playing. So if you play a chord, and then another chord. So this is all being hooked up together, and yeah, as things are when we're setting up things, new tools and new toys emerge. So we got the composer here. We just got this today, and we're thinking about how to integrate it. So our idea for this is, and we're going to show this later, hopefully, if we are being successful, to send a few different MIDI arpeggiator notes, different tempies, and get the joystick to change the pitch and to change some low cut, high cut. We have to see what sounds nice and to integrate it. Filters, yeah, filtering stuff. Yeah, so if you want to check out what we are doing here, come around. We are at 10302. Yeah, so 10302. And you can play with us, connect through MIDI, using the Arcana drum, using the drum beam, and a few more new tools here.